So one of the reasons I built this truck house like I did is so I can work on it anywhere. That's why I used wood, and it just so happens that my stairs are literally about to break. So all I'm gonna do is go to Lowe's right now and we're gonna go fix them. Perfect. I can drill those out and make that work. Let's show you guys the issue with these stairs. So first off, these little angles are kind of expensive, so I only did one on each step, on the front of each step. So I got more angles to do in the back. That way it supports the whole step. So that's the first thing I'm gonna fix. That's the first addition. And where they're actually failing is when you step here. See that? So this is actually breaking right there. So what I'm gonna do is take this decorative angle and plate it and drill into it, and that should brace it strong enough. So let's try that. So I need to get my drill out. Yeah. Cool. Now we need some bits. Sweet. Let's get to work. So it's breaking there. As you guys see, we get all those holes drilled out. So now I'm going to set this into place and pre-drill the wood holes so it doesn't split the wood when I sink these screws. That's hilarious. The kit that I bought came with the wrong size bit. Doesn't even fit the screws. Ain't that funny? Luckily, I have a kit that has the right bit. So good reason to carry tools with you right there. You guys can see the reason I pre-drilled this is because it's a really thin spot I'm trying to squeeze this screw into, so it would probably split it, but now it should split it. See how she's going right on in, no splitting. All right, let's get the next one drilled. I'm not gonna tighten them up just yet, I'm just kind of setting them into place. Just gonna continue all the way around and finish those up. So here's the new brace. You can tell, just get it locked in there. And now when I push on the steps, they don't crack and flex anymore. Not like they were. So that should hold it. I'll probably go ahead and do that to the other side because you can tell that's already splitting right there. So let's go ahead and do the other side. I think that should hold. Should be a lot more solid now having those braced. So next thing I'm going to do is, these things are expensive as hell, but I bought they're like $3 each almost. But you can tell at the time I only felt like affording the front half of the stairs, front half of the treads here. So now I'm going to put these along the back of the treads. That way it's super braced. So that's what's going on next. Hello. You guys see? These are a little more awkward, obviously, but we're gonna make them work. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom, we're gonna do that all the way across. Okay, I give you the new and improved stairs. We are braced on both sides with that plating, and if you look under the stairs, now there's 2 pieces of angle on each side instead of just the front part. So it should make it a little bit more solid. Cool. A little bit heavier too. We're here at the Descend on Bend pre-party down here at the Spoken Moto Lounge. Anyway, I'm working on some light wiring projects right here. And by that I mean just wiring up some simple LED string lighting together. And then we're gonna go check out some rigs and enjoy our evening. If you guys don't know what Descend on Bend is, make sure to check it out. Little Google search, pretty fun. It's probably one of the coolest festivals I've ever been to, if not the coolest. So just saying. Here we are. Folks are rolling in. Some tunes going. Some people are just like pre-party. People are just gathering here.
I could do 12. Cupsy Joe. Oh, it's boiling inside. They say it's steaming hot. They say it's steaming hot. Oh, we like singing about that coffee, but we hear down here at the, what's this place called? They ain't the Spoken Motor. They say that they like it butt wiggling, so maybe we'll give you something butt wiggling, huh? You know if they serve catfish in here?
We can find out for you.
We'll find out, won't we?
It's just about dark outside. I just left the Descend on Bend pre-party because I need a quiet place to practice, because I have to play my first actual like solo show tomorrow, which is gonna be probably terrifying, but you know what? It's all good. So I drove out this road. So just chilling on the porch and enjoying the quiet before the weekend of not quiet. So I just want to take a quick second too to thank you guys for supporting the channel the whole time and watching the adventures. And I just love the lifestyle, and I love filming, and pretty sure I like editing. And yeah, I just enjoy it. So thank you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna have some alone time, so see you guys in the morning. And Descend on Bend begins tomorrow. Good morning, world. It is day one of Descend on Bend. It's Thursday. This is where we camped last night. Nice quiet spot. Got a good practice in. Thank God, because I needed it. And we're out here. I'm gonna go run a couple errands in town and heading towards La Pine, Oregon. Let's go.